Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can change OneDrive location. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, the first thing that you need to do is go to the start menu and then search for OneDrive. Once you find it right here, go ahead and click on open file location right here. And if you don't find this option right here, just right click on it and then you're going to find it. Click on open file location and then this will take you right here to the shortcut. Then again, click on open file location and then you're going to find the location of OneDrive. So basically, guys, once you're here, go here to the top and then go back right here. And then once you find OneDrive, you can just copy it or cut it, as you can see, guys. And then you can go to the other location where you want to take the OneDrive folder. For example, I'm going to go to this PC. And then, for example, I'm going to paste it in this folder, for example. Just go right here and then press Ctrl V and then just wait for it to paste. And then as you can see, guys, you're going to be able to change OneDrive location. So right now, if you want to access the OneDrive settings, all you need to do, guys, is go to the OneDrive folder. And then once you do that, just go ahead and right click on it. Then as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of these options. Then you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open a new tab, open a new window. And here, as you can see, guys, in the bottom, you're going to find these three options. Always keep on this device, free of space, and lastly, OneDrive. Go ahead and click on OneDrive. And then right here, you're going to find the option to view it online, settings, and here you're going to find folder color. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to OneDrive. Here, as you can see, guys, you can manage backup for your files on your computer. And here, as you can see, guys, you can link your computer to your OneDrive account. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.